Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Google Maps and choosing walking mode. This focuses routes on paths and sidewalks. Tap directions, type or paste your destination, and confirm your start point, your current location, or a custom pin. Once done, Google presents one or more walking options. Compare distance and estimated time. Make sure to pick the route that uses pathways or trails if available. You're now ready to view the step-by-step navigation and adjust departure time or avoid stairs before you proceed. You should refine the route by reviewing alternate suggestions and inserting waypoints for stops. Drag the route or tap Add Stop to force a specific path. Once done, zoom in to inspect sidewalks, crosswalks, underpasses, and any stairs. This helps avoid inaccessible segments. Make sure to enable Live View for visual overlays if available, or turn on voice navigation for hands-free directions. If walking in unfamiliar areas, toggle satellite to confirm parks and paths, and adjust the route for safety or scenery. You finish by following the turn-by-turn cues and monitoring ETA and remaining distance. Voice prompts and on-screen arrows keep you aligned. If the map jumps or GPS drifts, pause navigation, tap Recenter, or recalibrate your phone's location by moving in a figure eight. Once done, if issues persist, update the app, toggle location services, or switch temporarily to driving mode, then back to walking to force a reroute. A single troubleshooting step often restores accurate guidance so you can complete your walk.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.